Before realms were charted, before heroes rose, there was only chaos. Then came two visionaries, two doctors, two mentors. In a world where confusion clouded clarity, they sparked the light. They didn't just teach medicine, they forged warriors. Knowledge is everywhere. My mission is to give it direction.
Concepts are not to be memorized. They are to be mastered.
They began with chalk and courage and built a universe of champions. Together, they built more than a classroom. They ignited a movement. They started it for the students. They built it into a universe. Let every student find their guide. Let every concept find its warrior. Let NEET PG be conquered, not feared. This is where it began. This is where you rise.